What's up, guys? We are out here in Laguna Beach, California. I'm Dante Silva, and then I'm here with my buddy Tyler Ervin, and we're gonna do a nice little hot lap on Telonics, testing out BrakeAce. Super fast, fun little trail. Ends up really steep and with some hard braking at the bottom, so we're gonna check it out. Let's get it, Tyler. There's Jerome, boss man, helping us out with the testing. Some hikers up there. We're just gonna cruise, and we're good. Try to be calm on the so fast right there. Hard brakes right there. Float over the hill. Nice little double right here. Tyler hits it. Yep. Buttered that. Big old rock drops right here. Ooh, got a little sketchy there. Fun little doubles right here. Little uphill before it gets steep. And then here's where the good stuff starts. Starts getting fast and steep and a lot narrower. And nice. Big step down there. Now we're going super fast. Really leaning that bike over. Getting some hard brakes. Hard brake right here. The dirt's so good today. It's hard to not just rip it as hard as you can. Woo! Yeah, Tyler. Yeah, Tyler. Cooking right now, boys. Oh, yeah. Well, that's sick. That's a good little lap down Telonics for the little hot lap. Tyler, Ervin, and Dante Silva. Super fun. Thanks for tuning in, guys. That was a good lap, eh?
Yeah.
That was fast at the bottom.